Hey everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. John and I are here in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. We're doing things a little differently today. We are not skiing like we normally do when we come here in the winter. Instead, we're going to be riding the Alpine coaster, which you can see here behind me. So we're going to go check it out.
Back?
Did you enjoy it? Yeah. I did. I pulled back more than I thought I would. I did hit the brakes a little bit more than I thought I would. Did you hit the brakes?
Once.
Once? All gas, once brakes. That was way longer than I thought it was going to be. We just kept going up and up and up, and I was not expecting that. And it got way faster. There was a couple points, like the first bump we hit went over, and I really like hit it, and then I kind of pulled my hands up and I was like, whoa, and then the couple drops. It went pretty fast. That was really awesome. worth the money, I thought. It was pretty fun little time. I think you can get an all-day pass where you could take unlimited rides. We just paid for one, but super fun. If you're in Steamboat, it's something, if you're not skiing, definitely should check out. It's right by the gondola, right in the main part of Steamboat Springs Resort here.